Maha Cartoon TV.
Lazy Monkey. An old monkey lived with her two children, Miku and Chiku, in the forest of Sheikhpura village. She loved her children very much and took care of them with a lot of love. And she used to bring delicious food for them.
Look, I have brought bananas for both of you.
Oh wow! Hooray! I want it first! No, give me first.
Hey, I'll give it to everyone. Just keep calm.
Mother, from where do you get such sweet bananas?
When you will be able to jump on the trees after growing up, then I'll tell you all the places where you can get sweet bananas.
Okay, Mom, it's fine.
And that's how Chiku and Miku grew up with the passage of time.
You both have grown up now. I want both of you to learn how to search for food by coming with me, so that you can find your own food and fill your stomach.
Yes. I was eagerly waiting for this day.
No, Mommy. I will not go anywhere. I'm not feeling well.
It's okay, my son. No problem. I'll get the food for you.
Chiku started getting food without an effort. In this way, he became even more lazy. Later, when his old mother asked him to go to the forest with her, he used to make some excuses.
Dear Chiku, will you come with me today? Huh?
Oh, Mommy, my legs are hurting a lot. What is the big deal in bringing food from forest? Mommy, you just want to trouble me unnecessarily?
All right then, you take a rest.
The old mother gets to know that making excuses is now Chiku's habit. He has become lazy. If he does not improve now, then he may have to face a very bad time in the future. And hence, the old mother starts worrying about her son. But Chiku thinks that his mother just wants to trouble him by asking him to go with her. Meanwhile, one day, the old mother dies. Then Miku explained to his brother, Chiku.
Look, our mother is no more. Now we have to do everything by ourselves.
Hey, you are my brother. I don't have to worry about anything until you are with me. Ha!
You are right. But it is very important to become independent, to live your life. Till how long will I support you?
Now you just stop teaching me. If you bring me food from the forest to eat, then it doesn't mean that you would become superior. Ha! Stupid.
Miku feels bad about what his brother said to him, but he can't leave him and stays with him. On the other hand, Chiku ignores his brother's words and starts having fun depending on him.
Hey Chiku, where are you? Come fast. I have brought guavas for you.
Chiku becomes happy after eating guava brought by his brother.
I love it. How tasty is it?
Try to get some food on your own.
After a few days, a rogue lion comes to the forest and he is very annoyed with the monkeys. On seeing the monkeys, he attacks and kills them.
Look, a dangerous lion has come into the forest. Stay away from him. Until I bring food, you be careful.
Okay, you don't need to worry about me.
Miku comes down from the tree and goes some distance ahead in search of food. Only then, the lion starts chasing him.
Hey, I'm going to die. He wants to kill me.
Miku somehow saves his life by climbing a tree. But the lion stays under the same tree waiting for Miku to come down.
The lion is after me. How will I go home now?
In this way, the sun sets, but the lion does not move from there, due to which Miku is not able to go to his home. On the other hand, Chiku remains hungry, waiting for his brother, but he doesn't try to get some food.
I don't know what happened to my brother. If I'm not wrong, then there is a possibility that he is not coming home intentionally. I have been hungry since morning. What should I do now? Oh God!
Chiku remains hungry all night, and he gets to eat something when Miku comes back the next morning.
Oh God! I had to starve the whole night just because of you!
You were just hungry, but my life was in danger.
Oh really? What happened with you last night?
Miku told the whole story, after which he said to Chiku,
That's why I say you should do some work by yourself too, so that you can do something whenever you face a hard time.
Everything is alright, brother.
In this way, the time starts passing. In some days, the rainy season comes. With the arrival of monsoon, it starts raining heavily.
Brother, I'm starving now.
What can I do? It is continuously raining from a very long time.
Brother, can't we go out to eat in the rain, huh? Mother once said that when there is a storm or heavy rain, do not go out of your home because it's dangerous for the life. We can't take risk.
Oops! Then we'll have to wait until the rain stops.
Both of them starts waiting for the rain to stop without food and water. It turns night, but the rain doesn't stop. When they woke up in the morning, they saw the flood in the forest, and it was still raining.
Oh my God, what has happened? There is a flood in the forest. What to do now?
Seeing the condition of his hungry brother, Miku couldn't control himself, and he starts going in search of food.
You take care of yourself. I'm going in search of food.
I will also come with you, brother.
No, there is a lot of danger outside. I will come back soon after making some arrangements for food.
Miku leaves in search of food, but he doesn't return.
Hey, where has he gone? It's been so late. I'm about to lose my life because of hunger. If I had the experience to searching for food, I would have gone myself.
Chiku has a lot of remorse that he was always dependent on others. He never tried to get things by himself, due to which he is in trouble today. Chiku's condition has worsened due to being constantly hungry and thirsty for a few days. He had to again sleep starving for another night, and then Chiku wasn't able to see the next morning. He sleeps forever. This story teaches us that we should not be dependent on others.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.